Children, class 10, mensuration, video number 3. Seventh question, continuation from yesterday onwards. Find the volume of liquid that hemispherical bowl can hold, where radius of the bowl is 4.2 centimeters. The bowl is in the shape of a hemispherical shape, which is hemispherical. From the figure, radius of a bowl r is equals 4.2 centimeters has given. Now here we can write given data, radius of a bowl r equals to 4.2 centimeters. 4.2 means 42 by 10. You can convert it centimeters, which is r. We can find volume of the hemispherical bowl is equals to 2/3 pi r cube cubic units, which is equals to 2 by 3 into pi value 22 by 7 into r value 42 by 10. 42 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10. Cancellation. 7 1 times, 7 6 times, 3 1 times, 3 2 times. The remaining part you can write here, 2 into 22 into 2 by 10 into 42 by 10 into 42 by 10, which is equals to numerator. First we have to multiply this all. 1,55,232 by 10 into 10 into 10,000. Denominator 3 zeros, 155.232 cubic liters, cubic centimeters. This is the volume. Coming to the 8th question, a wooden cylinder of radius r units and height h units is melted into a cone of a same radius and height. Find the volume of the waste. First you can observe wooden cylinder. This is the shape of a cylinder, melted into a conical shape, same radius r, same radius, same height, same height. Now the capacity, which means we have to find the volume of waste is equals to volume of cylinder minus volume of cone. Volume of a cylinder formula, pi r square h minus 1/3 pi r square h, which is equals pi r square h, pi r square h should take the common here. The remaining part is 1, here 1/3 pi r square h, 3 into 1 3 minus 1 2/3, which is equals to 2/3 pi r square h cubic units. This is the wastage. wastage of the volume. Coming to the ninth question. A 14 meters deep well with radius 3 meters is dug. The earth got by digging is evenly spread out to form a rectangular plot form of the base 22 into 9 L into B. Find its height. Now should observe here deep well, which is in the shape of a cylinder. This is a well. Deep well. Deep well means which is nothing but depth. Depth means H is equals 14 meters. Radius also given, R is equals 3 meters. Is dug. This soil got by digging easily spread out to form a rectangular plot, which means cuboid shape. The soil forms. Length 22 meters, breadth 9 meters, height we don't know. Find its height. These two volumes are equal. Should observe two figures. This is cylindrical shape, this is a cuboid shape. Volume of deep well, which is in cylinder shape, is equals to volume of rectangular plot, which is in cuboid shape. Both volumes are equal. Volume of a cylinder pi r square h is equals volume of a rectangle L into B into H, volume of a cuboid. Pi means 22 by 7. Radius of a deep well is 3 meters given. Depth 14 meters given. Length 22 meters. Breadth 9 meters. We have to find height of a rectangular plot. 7 1 times, 7 2 times. 22 into 3 into 2. This 22 into 9 becomes to denominator. 22 into 9, which is equals height. 22 cancel. 3 1 times, 3 times. H is equals 2 by 3, which is equals 0.6 meters. Height of a rectangular plot is 0.6 meters. Sorry children, here r square is there, which means 3 into 3. R 3 into 3. Here one more 3 is there. This 3 cancel. Therefore, H is equals 2 meters. You can rectify it, Nana. Okay, good.